This is what I call a perfect view upon waking up. Good friends, Frugal RV Gal, Vivian Kimberland, the Dan Van, C. Wright, and a nice lovely campfire that somebody has started for my warming pleasure. I don't know if it's Dan or Frugal, but somebody good has been up. Yay! Great, great, great awesomeness. So the main RTR is about probably 3/10 of a mile, maybe half a mile that way. So we picked this quiet little place to be. Good morning, Dan.
Good morning.
All right. Off to take a shower. Another beautiful sunrise here in the desert. It's gonna be a great day. How do I know? All the rest of them have been. It's shower time. Go into town real quick, get a shower, and come back and see what's happening at the RTR. See tow bar? Even the semis can pull over out here. And they do. It's pretty dang cool. I guess he lives in a Mayflower truck. That's awesome. That's greatness. I love it. It's a big truck. So a lot of the comments that I've had have said that there's word that there's like 5,000 people here at the RTR. Well, that's not exactly true. There are probably 5,000 people who have signed in to skate and wash this week, but they are not all at the RTR. There are at least 4 other huge gatherings out here this weekend. The Boomers and Escapees and stuff. And there are just tons of people out here camped in the desert in skate and wash. But they don't even know what RTR is. They're just here because they are here. There's also, I saw up here, there's a deaf camp meetup. And there was a 4-wheeler club meetup. But yeah, all these people out here are included in that 5,000 count, but they are not at the RTR necessarily. Now, some might be like me and Frugal, and now we aren't camped right in the big middle of the RTR, but we are part of the RTR. So, yes, there could be several of these folks out here that are definitely part of it. But yeah, so it's really confusing, and it's hard to get a real number. They were having people sign in and try to get a button at the RTR. And last I heard, Paddy Wagon said that there were about 1,000 people signed in. So I'm going to guess a real number is somewhere close to 1,500. And that's a pretty real solid number of the 5,000 that are out here. So see, like those flags and stuff and that big group of RVs over there, that's a different meetup. That has nothing to do with RTR, but it's in the count. So just thought I'd throw that out there. Check this out. Isn't that a great setup? Yep, RVs in the desert for as far as I can see out here. I've never seen anything like it. It's amazing. It is truly amazing. I mentioned in a previous video that I've not met anybody here who wasn't completely nice other than one guy, which is amazing to me that with all these people out here, only one guy's kind of been a jerk. So, pretty neat. I would love to come back next year. I don't know if it's in the cards or not, but we'll see. It's pretty awesome. Yep. More RVs. So right up here, that RV, I don't know if you can see with the little awning out in front of it, that's the camp host, and that's where they're getting that 25 or that 5,000 number. But yeah, like I said, all these people have nothing to do with the RTR. So just wanted to share that. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm off to go get a shower now. See you on the flip side.